How do you establish your business on Twitter? Twitter is what's happening and what people are talking about right now. Whether you're a small shop or a large global brand, Twitter helps you tap into the communities and conversations that grow your business. From foodies to sports fans, gamers to new moms, these are the people and discussions that shape our world and drive people to buy your product, service, or app. Ready to join the conversations and communities that matter most to your business? Let's get started. If you're on a computer, you can navigate to twitter.com/signup right from the homepage. Or if you'd rather use your phone, download the Twitter app and click the sign up button. Once you hit the sign up button, a Create Your Account pop-up box will appear, and you'll be guided through the sign up experience. You'll be prompted to enter information such as your name, phone number, and date of birth. If you provide an email address while signing up, we will immediately send you an email with verification instructions. After entering your information, click Next. Congratulations, you've signed up. Now let's set up your profile to put your business's best foot forward. There are 4 key parts of a Twitter profile: your name, your bio, your profile and header photo, and last but not least, your pinned tweet. We'll review each of these elements, sharing some helpful tips and suggestions along the way. First, name your account. Make sure it's identical or nearly the same as your actual business name, so new and existing customers can find you. Then, add a short bio. You have 160 characters to share what your business is all about and what your core offerings are. Next, upload a profile photo. Choose an image that's aligned with your brand. Logos work great. The recommended dimensions are 400 by 400 pixels. Then select your header image. Think of this as the billboard or window display. Use it to share what's new or timely in your business. The recommended dimensions are 1500 by 500 pixels. Finally, one last tip. Consider pinning a tweet to your profile so that when others visit, they see your pinned tweet first. Need some ideas on what to pin? Try adding your most popular tweet, a current special or promotion you're running, or an eye-catching image. You can switch your pinned tweets as often as you want. And done! That's how you set up your Twitter profile. Now, it's time to start tweeting. Ready to learn more? Visit business.twitter.com for more resources to help grow your business on Twitter.